Today we will draw a portrait of Ed Sheeran. We will use skin tone artist colored pencil for this. Once the outline is completed, we start on eyes with beige grey and black colors. Then we start working on the right eye with cream, baby pink and dawn colors. Once that is done, we use the same colors along with dusty rose to complete the nose. After that, we start working on the left eye with a portion of upper cheek and whitener on the nose. Then we start working on the right lower cheek with a portion of the beard. Once I was confident that I could complete beard correctly, I used mustard, sand and fiery red colors for mustache and beard. Then we start working on the forehead and the front hairline. Then we work on the chin and the left cheek to complete the beard. After that, we work on the clothes and the neck. I would say that the hair was the most difficult to draw in this particular sketch, but somehow I'm still happy with the complete outcome.